Hello guys, in this video I will talk about creating tables using Java code. Okay, in the first video I'll show you how to create a new schema, and in this schema I create a new user table by click on the right click table and create a new table. Then we need to fill in some information to create a new table with the column name we want. Okay, but when we use in GBA and Hibernate, it provides an option to automatically create tables from the Java code. That means uh, I have an entity class named user, and when I define the table name, define the column name, and all the property like this, and when I run this application, Java Hibernate allow us to create a new table, a new user table, instead of using script or creating user by hand. Okay, when to create for GPA and Hibernate create table automatically from the Java code, we need to add a property of screen.gpa.hibernate.ddl2, and the option will be create in the application property file like this. We need to define a property in here, but I want to notice something, that when we run in the application to and add this property in the application property, GPA Hibernate will drop the existing table, then creating new table. That means if I have a user table like this, I will save. If I have a user table like this, then I add a property string.gpa.hibernate.ddl in the application property file and run the application. Then the Hibernate will delete this table. That means it will delete all the data in this table and create a new one with 0 records. So it will be careful when you do it, because your data will be lost. Next, I want to talk about set option for manage table using screen using this feature. And for the application I am coding, I don't use any I don't add this feature, so this feature is none. That means no action will be performed when we run the project. But if we add this property in the application file and set it to create only, table will be created, and that means it don't delete the old table, but create new table for it. The third option will be dropped. That means the Hibernate will drop all the existing table and all data will be lost. The next option will be create. When you use this option, the table are dropped and then it create new table. That means all data will be lost, and you do not recommend it to use this option on a production environment. The next option will be create drop. That means it's similarly to the create option, but when the application shut down, all the data will be lost and we delete the table too. The next option will be valid. It will be valid the data table, and the update. The update is update the table when Java entity change. For example, if I have a table with four columns here, and if I change some property name or add new column, the table will add new column or change the column name, and it will effect to it will keep the old data and add new data from the previous data. And I have noticed here that create table from Java code is not recommended for production environment because all the data will be lost. So you need to use a query script to create table or create table by hand instead. The use case for you this feature is when you need to migration for testing with in-memory database, or you just learn from the basic or just learn new things to have some knowledge. Okay, I will to demo this. I will come back to the application, and in my data I will add a new data first. I will call the user DAO, and I will use the save method and add a new user. The first name will be Java, the last name will be Guy, and the email will be Java Guy mail.com, and I will run the application to insert a new record. Okay, I will come back to the MySQL and refresh. As you can see, I have a new record here that's with ID E4. The reason is with ID number 4 because I'm delete the the third user before, and the next ID will be 4. Okay, then I will add this property into the application.property. That means when I add this line of code in the application.property and then I run this application, the table here will be deleted and all the data here will be lost, and then it will call this function and add a new one for me. Okay, let me try it. Okay, let me come back to my database and refresh it. So as you can see, I have an ID here is 1 because when it's used because the previous table is deleted and it's create a new table, so that's the index is reset to the 1, and we have the first name here. I don't know why the first name is the email and the email will be the first name, but let me check it. Okay, I just find out the reason. That's why the last name is email and the last name is a Java guy gmail.com, but the first name is a guy. See, because I did not refresh this button, so it not refresh the table for me. So you need to hit it first and refresh the data here, and you can see email is a javaguy.com. Okay, let me try with the option of update. I will try with the option of update and run the application. Okay, the application runs successfully, and I will come back to this. Firstly, I need to refresh this and then refresh this. As you can see, I have 2 records here. That means when I use the update option, Hibernate will delete the user table first, and then add old data, that means the ID one, to the new table, and secondly it will add, as you run this live code and add a new user here. That means we have two record here. So if I run the application again, we will have 4 records because the Hibernate will delete this table, and then it will keep the two old records and add to a new table, and then it run this line of code and add 2 new records. Okay, let me test this by run the application again. Okay, let me come back to the table and refresh this. I will refresh it again. As you can see, I have 3 records because in the previous table we have 2 records. After we delete the user and create a new one, the Hibernate will add two old records and run this live code. So that means we have 3 records in our database. Okay, this is the Spring GPA Hibernate .ddl auto feature. You need to be careful when you use this on production, and I do not recommend you to do this. You should use your SQL script or create the table by hand. Okay, that's all for the video today. See you in the next one.